Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Beauty is Joy Forever. Today in this video you can see all the products about the foot care. As you know that feet are the important part of our body and their beauty is very important that can enhance our whole personality. Taking care of our foot health is essential for overall well-being. There are various products available in the market that can help maintain the health of our feet. Here are some information about different foot care products. Foot lotion and creams. Foot lotion and creams are designed to moisturize and nourish the skin of your feet. They often contain the ingredient like shea butter, coconut oil, aloe vera, or glycerin, which help soften the skin and prevent the dryness and cracking. These products can also help soothe tired feet and alleviate the foot odor. Regularly applying the foot lotions or creams can keep our foot smooth and hydrated. Foot powders. Foot powders are primarily used to absorb the excessive moisture and reduce the perspirations, which can contribute to foot odor and fungal infection. They usually contain ingredients like baking soda, which help keep the feet dry and fresh. Foot powder are particularly useful for people who have sweaty feet or spend a lot of time in closed-toe shoes. Foot scrubs and exfoliating tools. Foot scrubs and exfoliating tools are used to remove dead skin cells and promote the smoother, healthier feet. Scrubs usually contain granules or particles that help the removal of the dead skin when massaged onto the feet. Exfoliating tools such as foot files or pumice stones can be used to physically remove dry and rough skin. Regularly, exfoliations helps prevent the buildup of the calluses and keeps the skin on your feet looking fresh. Foot deodorants. Foot deodorants are designed to control the foot odors caused by bacteria. They often contain ingredients like antibacterial agents such as tea tree oil or triclosans that helps eliminate the odor-causing bacteria. Some foot deodorants also have fragrance components to mask up in smells. These products can be particularly helpful for